Okay, so today I'm going to show you, I figured this out earlier today, how to use and customize the metronome in Reaper. So I am using JAWS for Windows. I'm pretty sure the process is similar for NVDA. But anyway, let's get started. First, you will need to open Reaper.
Search box edit, type in text. R, Reaper X64, add, enter. Reaper.
Now,
Reaper. Dialog. Status. Reaper V7.
I don't have a license, but here's one thing. You cannot escape this pop-up right away. I'm not sure if they did this on purpose. Maybe you have to wait at least maybe like a few seconds. For some reason, it won't let you escape this dialog as soon as it comes up. I'm guessing that's because they don't want you to just escape the thing and ignore it. So now that it's came up,
Escape.
we're
Reaper
escape.
V7.61 evaluation license dialog. Track view.
So now we're on our track view. We don't need to create a track, but to turn on the metronome, we want to push Control-Shift-N.
Control-Shift-M. Metronome on.
Control-Shift-M as in Mary. So if I hit space,
Play.
we have our metronome. Now to control the speed of it, you use your Control-Shift equals.
Control-Shift equals 1.059463 play rate. Unsaved project Reaper V7. Control-Shift equals 1.781797 play rate.
I don't know what those numbers mean, but you can hear I did make it faster. Now, we can actually customize the way that this sounds. In most audio workstations, you could just kind of have different sound presets, but this is different. So, to open up the metronome options dialog, you want to push Alt.
Space. Stop.
Let me stop that. So you want to push Alt Shift M as in Mary, and once you do that,
Alt Shift M. Metronome with pre-roll settings dialog. DB sample or frequency HZH.
and there you go. So now we have our metronome dialog up. So if I tab, we will get through all the options. I don't know what everything does, but I will show you that you actually can customize it, and it's pretty easy.
Hardware.
Not the most easy, but you'll see.
Enable metronome checkbox checked. A clear check.
So this is where I can enable the metronome.
Hardware outputs button to activate. Press space bar.
Hardware outputs, I'm guessing, I don't exactly know, but I'm guessing I could use this button if maybe I only want the metronome to go through a pair of headphones and then have the other audio go through the speakers.
Run metronome during playback checkbox checked. A clear check mark.
Run metronome during playback. I keep that checked.
Count in before playback checkbox not checked. To check, press space.
Count in before playback. So what this does is before I hit play, or when I hit play, it will count in. And another setting,
Run metronome during recording checkbox checked. A clear check mark.
run metronome during recording, keep that checked. Then we have one that I would recommend you turn on.
Count in before recording checkbox not checked. To check.
Now these settings don't save. I'm pretty sure they are. I don't know if they're supposed to save. But this is the one that we want. So count in before recording. So
Space checked.
So now, what that means is, let's escape this, and I'll show you what I
Escape. Unsaved.
what I
Run.
did. So I'm gonna create a new track. So I'm gonna push Control T,
Control T. Track name edit. Type in text.
and we're gonna call this.
T S T T S T test. R E C O R D I N G recording. T R A C A. Track enter.
So now I'm gonna arm the track, so F7, and we are gonna get some feedback because my computer speakers and microphone are just monitoring to each other, so we are gonna get feedback. So as soon as I push F7, I'm gonna push F8 twice.
F7 armed. F8 record monitor off. Record
So
monitor off.
there we go. So now I'm gonna push R.
R record.
Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3.
R stop.
And there we go. So now it counted in.
Home. R1 beat 10%.
We'll hit home and we'll hit play.
Top of 5.
And actually, let's go to top and we'll hit play.
Space.
Testing
Play.
1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3.
Stop.
And there you go. So it counted us in, and we can change the number of measures. So now, let's delete this track.
Oh.
What is this?
Error dialog. No time selection active. Okay,
Oh.
escape. Unsaved. Run. 1 arm test recorded. 1 track removed.
There we
Blank.
go.
1 track.
So now, let's open the metronome options.
Alt Shift F. Metronome and rear hardware out. Run metronome during counted before play. Run metronome during counted before recording. Checkbox. Counted measures edit. Start counted at start of measure. Checkbox not checked. The check press
Start
spacebar.
counting at start of measure. I don't know what that is, but we'll keep that. We'll leave that alone.
Click pattern multiplier combo box. 1x to a full.
This is the multiplier. Now this is kind of more of a speed. I would just leave it where it is.
Beat pattern edit. A B B B type of text.
Beat pattern. So you have different beats. You have A, B, C, and D, which you can all change the frequencies for. So our pattern is A, B, B, B. So if we want to do A, B, B, which,
B. Blank.
so if and you have to capitalize it.
A. B. B.
So now
Enter.
we'll
Unsaved.
press
Run.
enter and we'll say, and we'll give this a test.
Space. Play.
Okay, that's strange.
Space. Stop.
I don't know why it didn't. Let's try this again. Maybe I have to do a space.
Control Shift
no?
F. Metronome off.
Oops.
Control Shift F. Metronome on. Alt Shift F. Metronome hard. Run count. Run metronome counted. Start count. Click pattern. Beat. Click pattern multiplier combo box. Beat pattern edit. A B B B type of text. Blank. A. V.
Oops.
V. B. B. Drop. Beat pattern edit. A B B type of text. Enter.
So let's
Unsaved.
try this again.
Space. Play.
Whoa. That was strange. It was supposed to do
Space. Stop.
So let's
Alt Shift F. Metronome hard. Run counted. Start count. Click pattern multiple Q. Beat pattern edit. A dot B. Click pattern multiplier combo box. 1x. Beat pattern edit. A dot B type of
oh,
text.
that's cool.
Blank.
So I can do pauses, I guess. No? Did A, B. So let's do
A, B, 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 A, B, B, B. Project grid follows metronome. Metronome volume left right slider minus 12.0. Minus 12.0.
so there's the
Metronome
volume.
volume edit minus 13.0. Type of
And I
text.
just made
Relative
it
gain of
louder.
clicks DC and D left minus 6. Relative gain of frequency A radio button checked. 2 of 2.
So
Change
here
the
we go.
selection. Press frequency A edit 1760. Type of text.
1760 is the default. Now you're actually going to write that 176, not 1760. So your frequency 1 is the higher click. So let's say I want to make that
8, 5, 0.
850.
P unacceptable character in 0. 8 frequency A edit 8500 type of text.
So let's say 8500. Maybe we want that. Let's push enter to set our
Enter,
settings, and we'll push play.
Space play.
That's a little too high, but you can see
Space stop.
that it actually did it. So
Alt Shift P ripple retract ripple
Oops.
escape. Alt Shift F metronome hard run counted start count click beat project metronome volume relative gain of frequency A radio frequency A edit 8500 type
so
of
let's
text.
try.
Blank. 1, 8, 0, 180 frequency A edit blank.
Let's try. Let's try one. Oh no.
1, 2, 8, 7,
287.
287. Space play.
So I can make it lower if I wanted to. So this is probably how.
Space stop.
some people might want it. So let's change it to the default, which was
Alt Shift F,
1716.
counted, start count, click pattern, beat, metronome, relative gain, relative frequency A radio, frequency A edit, 281, 7, 7, 7, 6, 176, enter, unsaved project, Reaper V space, play, space, stop, Alt Shift F, cut, click, beat, project, metronome volume edit, relative gain, frequency A radio, but frequency A edit, 176, type and blank.
1670.
1, 5, 5, 6, 7, 106, 7, 0, frequency A edit, 160, type and text. Blank.
70.
1, 8, 7, 6, 0, frequency A edit, 1760,
There we
type and
go.
enter, space, play,
And there we go.
space,
Now-
stop, Alt Shift F,
We also can change the different frequencies for
start, click, beat, project, metronome, relative gain, relative frequency A rate, frequency A edit, frequency B radio button checked, frequency B edit, frequency C radio, frequency D, waveform shape combo box, sign, 1 to 4,
Then we have different waveforms, so this can change the overall sound.
triangle, 2 of 4,
Triangle,
square, 3 of 4,
square.
sign plus square, 4 of 4,
And sine plus square. Now it will sound a little bit different.
waveform length and MS edit, 4, type and text,
Oh. That's cool. I didn't know you can change the length. Let's try
blank, 2, 0,
20.
20, and space, play,
Okay, that's cool.
space, stop,
So you can make it longer.
space, play, space,
Let's try
Alt Shift F, metronome, cut, stop, click, beat, metronome, waveform shape combo, waveform length and MS edit, 20, type and text,
let's try
blank, 3, dash, unaccept, 3, blank, 3, 0, 0, 300, space, play,
oh,
space, stop,
that's cool. So let's try just for fun.
Alt Shift F, metronome, click, beat, metronome volume, frequency A edit, 7, frequency 0, waveform, sample, pre-roll, start, enable hardware outputs buttons, and run metronome during counted, start, click, beat, back, project, metronome, relative gain, relative waveform length and MS edit, 300, type, blank.
Let's see.
5, 0,
Let's see what 50.
50, space, lay,
So now
space, speech on demand,
so we can do something like this. So now, turn our speech
full
back on.
speech,
And real quick, I do want to show you what A, B, C, D will do. Because you can have multiple things. So we'll go into
Alt Shift F, hard run, count, stop, beat, metronome volume, relative gain, frequency, B rate,
hang on.
relative metronome volume, left project, beat pattern edit, A, B, type it, blank, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, project written, beat pattern edit, A, enter, space, play,
Whoa. Do, 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 do. think we can also mix those up,
Space,
so we
stop,
can do.
stop. Alt Shift F, metronome with part, rev, count, start, click, the project, metronome volume, relative, frequent, relative, metronome volume, edit, minus, frequent, waveform, length, sam, pre-roll, length and measures, pre-roll, start, clear, metronome volume, project, beat pattern, edit, A, B, C, A, B, blank, A, C, D, B, A, C, D, B, N.
Let's see how this sounds.
Space, lip. Space, stop.
There we go. And so yeah, that's how to customize the metronome. Now I am going to set, now just for fun, let's see what 1 millisecond does.
Alt Shift F, metronome part, rev, count, and start,
And we're
count,
gonna
click, beat pattern, edit, A, C, D, B, type of blank, A, B, C, D, project, metronome volume, relative, frequent, waveform, length, sample, pre-roll, waveform, shape, waveform, length, and MS edit, 50, zip, blank, 1, enter, space, lit.
Okay. So if we wanted more of a
Volume up, volume. Space, stop. Alt Shift N, Met hardware outputs button to activate. Press space, run, count, start, click, beat pattern, edit, A, B, C, D, type of text.
oh, it's
Blank, A, B, A, B, beat pattern, edit, A, B, enter.
let's try this again.
Space, lay, volume up.
So we could get an actual metronome. Just a click.
Space, stop.
So now let's set this
Volume
to
down. Alt Shift 0 item selected. Alt Shift N, metronome with count, stop, click pattern, beat project, metronome volume, frequency, waveform, length, and MS edit. 1, type of text. 1, blank. 3, blank. 4. Enter. Space, lip.
So there we go.
Space, stop.
Alright, so that's how to use the metronome in Reaper.
Alt F4, Reaper query dialog. Save project before.
And actually, before we do
Escape.
this,
Alt Shift F.
let's go through all the.
Hard run met counted, start count, click pad, beat pad, project, metronome volume, relative, frequent, waveform, length, and sample presets button to activate.
Oh, sample presets? So that's cool. I get. Let's see. What is this? Let's get a sample
And
presets.
context menu to navigate, rename preset submenu, R, save preset, S, delete preset, use project, metronome sample / frequencies, U. Reset the default sample / frequencies, R, save preset, S.
Okay, that's cool. So I can have different
Leaving
presets.
menus, set pre-roll before playback, checkbox not pre-roll before recording, pre-roll length and pre-roll at start of measure, enable metronome checkbox checked.
And that's that.
Escape,
Well, there you go. That is how to use the metronome in Reaper. Thank you for listening, and have a good day.
Voice over on. Voice messages. 21 minutes ago. Speaking still stop. I don't know what's going on.
Oh wait, did this stop recording? Alright.
Voice over on.
That's strange. I don't know why it.